Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw an onion. Let's start off by drawing the bulb of the onion with a big circle shape with the top open and flaring out and an open bottom as well. At the bottom, draw some really thin, shaky zigzags like so for some roots. And at the top, a normal zigzag for the onion skin. Draw some really thin lines along the bulb like this for some added texture. And on top, draw some rounded V shapes for some leaves that are sprouting out. Lastly, some thin lines along the leaves like so for added detail. And now you got an onion. Let us know in the comments what you think you should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.